Hello guys, okay, so I just ordered a Maisto. This is a diecast model of the Yamaha R1. So this is not actually the like the 2015 model R1. It's actually like a previous generation R1, like before 2009 model. So it's a 1:12. It's a 1:12 ratio. Okay, so this is how it actually came through Amazon. So let me just unbox it. It's neatly packed. So this is how we unbox it. Okay, so the whole motorcycle is actually what do you say, metal. It's actually metal. The body is actually full metal. The tire is what do you say, like rubber. The tire is rubber. Tire is rubber. The disc and the detailing is really nice. The rear shock absorber actually works. Like the rear shock actually works, and there's also a plastic side stand, so you can place it anywhere, like wherever you want. You can place it anywhere. Yeah, it's a diecast model, so like if you have a hobby of collecting like these replica models or like small diecast models, then it would be really nice. About the fit and finish and detailing, for this pricing actually, it's actually quite nice. The fit and finish, the diecast model is fully metal, except a few plastic pieces, like the Maisto, like just the exhaust and all things, but the rest is all just metal. Yeah, so let's look at some detailing of Maistos. So here's the display. So let me just focus it for you. Yeah, so as you can see, yeah, that is the display. So it's like the bike is like put into ignition and the display comes on. It's just a sticker. The tank, the Yamaha logo, the delta box frame, and the rear disc. The tire is actually rubber. The rear disc and the exhaust, and if you look closely there you can see a silver spring, so that is actually the rear shock, the monoshock. Now here you can see the Maisto branding, the twin exhaust. Yeah, the mirrors also look fine. Like they actually gave it decent like detailing. Yeah, so this is actually my first replica, like a diecast model. So I actually will be buying more of like bikes like Ducati and like the KTM 1290 Super Duke. Yeah, that's it.